And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, building EAs for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and did I say prop firm trading? I think I did. I haven't been doing much prop firm trading lately. I've been building out some EAs for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And I'll be rolling out those in the next couple of days. Also, today's Tuesday, April the 14th. We don't have a whole lot to talk about today except USPPI. I think that's on the agenda for today around 8:30. So let's go ahead and start talking about some of those things. Also, the war in Iran. I've got no idea what's going on in the war of Iran. I'm just a spectator, just like you are. Okay, so let's see. With that in mind, let's go ahead and I want to remind you that if you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of these videos, then subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you. And also, if you want to speak to me directly or talk to me directly, then feel free to go ahead and comment to me in the comment section. That's what comments are for. Let's see. What we're going to do next is, what happened there? Is figure out what I typed in there that didn't work out. Oh well, there, now it goes. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the risk disclosure part, because we are talking about putting money at risk, and therefore you need to know about those risks, because this is not for everyone. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And the CFTC risk disclosure goes like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital, which we definitely do not want to do. But I'm also a developer, and actually got into development before I got into trading, before I became a developer about 15 years ago. So that's one of the things I do is build things on the internet, like this one. Here is Trading Forex for Profit. This is one of my this is my main platform that I'm building out right now. I'll be testing it today to see if it's if we're ready to go further on it. Well, we are going to be going further on it, but see if we are ready to do a soft launch on it and start inviting people to beta trade it. I'm also going to be coming out with some different videos on this also. But if you like, go ahead and go to the Start Free button, click there, and play around with it. See if you like it. I'd love to have any feedback on the contact page, which is kind of hidden right now. We need to put that in the link somewhere. Need to put a link in that for it somewhere, probably down here in the footer. But that's, you can find the email address right there. Go ahead and hit me up and tell me what you like, what you don't like. Let's see. After that, we have the first. My first. Where is it? There it is. My very first one I released is the Bollinger Band RSI Mean Reversion Pro, which is my very first. I just released it yesterday. So this is for MetaTrader 4. If you're doing MetaTrader 4. No reviews yet, no comments, no statistics. But here's the. We've got one paid download. One download. Around here somewhere. Yeah, one free download. Nice, one demo download so far. So that's always fun. And it's priced at $297 for lifetime. But you can rent it for $37 a month. So you can just rent it and give it a shot, see what you think, see if you like it. And then you go from there. With that, let's go ahead and get into what's happening today. We are full risk on today. You know what that means? It means weak USD, means big stock market day in theory. There you go. Let's go to the stock market, see what's happening there. CNBC.com. Oh, hey, well, CNBC.com is forbidden. They are not having, for some reason, I'm not running a VPN, so I'm not sure why that's happening, but CNBC does not want me to look at their site today. We'll just try this. Go click the link here and go from there. There it is. Something about my virus, antivirus. So it's not really knocking it out of the park today, but that's what we're looking at look forward to today in the stock market, U.S. stock market. At least that's in theory what's going on. So we're starting off with the DXY. Let's start there first. The DXY is coming down. Why? Because it's a risk-off day. The U.S. Bollinger Band, the U.S. blockade of Iran is being seen as a de-escalation process because we're not actively blowing things up, which maybe not. I don't know. So the DXY is coming down because it's a risk-off day too. Oh, pardon me, a risk-on day. So people are putting more money into that doesn't make any sense to me because what we're looking at for risk-on, the yield should be going up, but it's not. Because risk-on, people would be leaving U.S. Treasury instruments and going into something different. But hey, look at this. All the bonds across the around the world are going down, even China, even Japan's. So maybe people are starting to realize that big government's not the way to go. I don't know. Euro versus the pound. But even right now, for the last couple of days, however, the pound has been eking out gains on that. The euro versus the USD up 100 pips. So it's over the last on daily, right? 1, 2, 3. Since the last time we saw it, I saw it hit 117. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row. So it should be. Hate to say it, but should be looking at a turnaround pretty soon. 9 candles is usually a warning sign that things are going too well. So we'll see if that can continue into the days. Let's see, and look at the pound go. Pound's up to 135.48 again. We should be looking at pullback on this fairly soon, maybe. At least from a mean reversion strategy, yes. However, it could go all the way back, all the way up to 138. That is highly possible. Well, that is possible. I'm not sure how highly possible it is. But I have the boundary right here at 137.20. So we still have plenty of ways to go before we hit that mark. So we can probably get in on the buy on that. Dollar versus the chef. Dollar versus the Swissy is coming down. Why? Because the DXY is coming down, and that is again crossing the Bollinger Band 20 the 20 period 2 deviation Bollinger Band. So it could be time for some to catch that running a little bit longer before it reverts back to the mean, which doesn't always happen, but it's about a 70% chance it'll happen eventually. USD versus, you want to confirm that with RSI or ATR or MACD or something else. You know, just if you go strictly by the Bollinger Bands, it's not going to work out for you a lot of times. But you want to have a confirmation in either RSI or something else. At least that's how I do it. Dollar versus the yen. Again, not trading advice, just my opinion. Dollar versus the yen is, where's it? Oh, look. It's coming down, as expected, because the DXY is coming down. Pound versus the yen, look at that, topping out around 215 before it's thinking about maybe coming down a little bit. Possibly. Euro versus the yen. It's right up there, it's doing the same thing. UCAD coming down because the DXY is coming down. No surprises there. Canadian versus the yen. Maybe now it's starting to correlate better with oil. 115.47, and then the correlation with oil would be right here. We're trading at 96.88 on the NYMEX right now. I'm not sure what the West Texas index is trading because I don't track that. I can't find a reliable means to track it with. This is the NYMEX. Oh well, NYMEX, which is one I've always looked at when I was a broker 25 years ago. Aussie, look at the Aussie takeoff. Aussie's up to 71.20, good move there. Big drawdown yesterday, look at that. wick on that one. That's just a solid rejection right there. And then 70.66 is the presumed entry point on that one. Gold. Look at gold glitter. So 47.81 is what gold is doing right now. It's again not going crazy like it was doing back in this period from August until January, where we had a big solid parabolic run up. So taking its time now, coming down a little bit more. Getting a little perky right there, but not enough to really, not even 1% yet. Platinum, again, same thing, about 75, 79%. Palladium, up a little bit, even though it's a red candle. How's that work? Oh well. Silver, up to 77.80. This could be the harbinger of things to come with a 3% move on silver right now. Let's see how the software sector did yesterday. Look at that. They just went nuts yesterday. IGV was up 5.4%. HubSpot was up 6.7%. What did happen with this? Why did this? I want to say I want to find some news on this, but I don't see any. Nothing on the software sector. Oh well, software is boring these days because AI is quite the rage, and has been. These are all the companies that sold their souls to AI, and they're down markedly. That's Intuit, and you always remember who your customer is, but that's what we've got going on here. And yep, that giant upswing that didn't even. It's not. Although this rally did happen, I wouldn't say it's really going to take over anytime soon. And so they got a long way to go to hit all-time highs. But with that, that is about all I've got for today. I've got to get to work on some stuff. Let me see. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of these videos, then subscribe to the channel. And lastly, if you want to talk to me directly, then comment in the comment section. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. But in the meantime, you guys have a great one. Happy trading. And talk to you soon. Bye.